I got her a new dog bed. Oh man, she loves this dog bed. I can't get over how much she loves this dog bed. I think I posted a picture on my Facebook. If I did, I'll bring it up on the screen here and show it to you. By the way, if you want to watch my videos on Facebook, you have to be... Oh, wow. I posted a link to an Instagram reel of Maduro saying that Trump's a chicken. It says, I'm waiting for you here in Malafors. Don't take too long to arrive, coward. And then it has an eagle that shows it. And then the eagle goes and gets Maduro. And they blocked it on Facebook.